how's it going? JZLabs here, back with another video. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can add text to your video or captions to your video using an AI tool called Pictory AI. So I am at the home page of Pictory AI. As you can see, the headline over here says video creation made easy. The AI tool, which is Pictory, is quick and easy and cost effective to use. You don't need any technical skills or software download in order to start using Pictory. Now, if I go ahead and talk about the pricing of Pictory AI, as you can see, all plans include all the AI enabled features. We firstly get to see the free trial. The free trial plan allows you to create 3 video projects only, each of up to 10 minutes long. If I go below, then you can see all the paid plans over here. The first one is the standard plan, followed by premium plan, and then the enterprise plan. As you can see here, it says 19 USD per month for standard and 39 USD per month for the premium plans. So the best thing about Pictory, about getting started with paid plans for Pictory, is that you don't need any credit card in order to use free trial of any paid plan. And also one more thing we have is that if you want to get started with a paid plan for Pictory AI, then we have a link in the description below, which you can click in order to get a 20% discount for Pictory AI's paid plans. And this 20% discount will be for every month for which you opt in for Pictory subscription. So that is also a great thing for you to start using Pictory paid plans. Now, without any further ado, I will be showing you a complete walkthrough of how you can add text or captions to your videos using Pictory AI. After you sign up using our link from the description, you will be able to see a dashboard similar to this. From this, you can go on to this third section, which says edit videos using text. As you can see here, it says add subtitles automatically. So this is the section where you can add subtitles or captions to your video using Pictory AI. Now, if I go ahead and click proceed, it will ask me to either upload a YouTube video link or upload a video directly. If I go ahead and upload the video directly and then click proceed, since the number of speakers in this video is 2, I will be clicking 2 and then clicking proceed. Now the AI does a scan of all the speech that is being present in the video and starts transcribing it. After the transcription has been completed, you will be redirected to a page that looks something like this. As you can see, the video that you uploaded has captions like this. These were added by the AI itself. Now if you click play, then you will see, wow.
Okay, so
Then you will be able to see all the captions based on the timestamp. What's great about Pictory is that you can also delete captions, and that way what it does is it also deletes the corresponding scene that belongs to that caption. You can also select your templates like so if you want to change how your captions look like. For example, this template makes the captions look like this. You can also remove silences if you want to from the video. You can also remove filler words like or anything from your videos. And also you have the option to search a keyword and then replace it with another keyword. So Pictory AI does a pretty great job while adding captions to your video that you have input. You can download your video from here, or you can even customize your video from here. You also get the option to select landscape, portrait, or square 1:1 aspect ratios from here. So overall, Pictory AI is a pretty great tool if you want to add captions or text to videos using AI without any hassle. And if you are looking forward to subscribe to Pictory AI's paid plans, then you can go ahead and click the link that is mentioned in the description and then sign up from there. That way you will get a 20% discount for every month that you pay subscription for Pictory AI's premium plans. And I would encourage you to do so. If you like this video, then please go ahead and hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you want to see more AI and tech related videos in general. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.